We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You already know your boy Big Play Ray getting his hustle on early in the morning, man. We about to go to Copart, look at a couple of cars. Copart don't got much. Look at Bobo. Look at Bobo, man. Bobo's gone, man. And y'all hear we driving in the Impala. Y'all hear it sound. You don't hear nothing. You don't hear no roaring noise. You don't hear no hub bearing noise. You don't hear no nothing, no shaking. It ain't jerking, shaking, nothing like it was doing. So the tires did solve my problem. This boy is riding smooth, ready to go. But if you haven't already, man, you new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so y'all can join the Hustle Nation. You already know. We doing it big, man. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram if y'all haven't done so already. wehustledaily.co. Y'all follow me on the gram, and make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all want to learn how to check out cars, pick out cars at the auction. I'm showing you guys a skill. I got a whole lot of knowledge for y'all. I got a whole lot of tips, tricks, everything in my academy. I got a basic package showing you guys just how to pick out a car, teaching you about cars, and then I got a full curriculum package where you can learn everything I know on how I buy and sell cars from the auction. Don't put no money in them at all, not a penny. Lucky if I put gas in it and I sell the car. That's what I'm interested in doing, and that's what I do, guys. Like, that's what I do. I buy stuff and I sell it. Like, that's it. I don't be putting no money into the car and trying to get it right and all of this and that. I'm not doing all that. You know, that's just never been my thing. I don't like doing that. I used to work on cars. I don't like to get my hands dirty no more. You know what I mean? So I just like to buy and sell. Yeah, you can have somebody, you can hire somebody, hire a good mechanic, cheap mechanic. Well, I don't know any good cheap mechanics. You know what I mean? And all that stuff that you put in the car, all the money that you use to put in the car, it takes away from your profit. So that's why I'm not going to do that. So whdacademy.com, you want to learn everything I know. But I'll see you guys when we get to Copart, see what they got today. May not be much, but we may find something. You just never know with these auctions, man. You never know what they got. You never know what you're going to find. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it, though. Let's get it. All right, guys. First up on my list, going to do this one again, man. 10,000 buckaroos that they want for this guy. Not sure why they want so much dang on money. He got mechanical damage. Not sure if y'all heard that noise. We got a Mustang here, GT as well. That's new. I like those wheels on the Mustang. Which ones y'all like better? But yeah, if y'all don't remember this car, this got the mechanical damage. I don't need, oh yeah, it don't got no power. Last time I tried to crank it up, it ain't got no power. But once you do crank it up, you can hear the motor just knocking away. So y'all let me know if it's worth 10 grand, because it's been here and they haven't sold it yet. So they want 10 grand for this guy. Then we got your 5.0 right here, GT. This door is just all toe up from the floor up. And some damage right here. Back bumper. Let's open this door. Oh man. This stinks in here though. Airbag. It's an automatic. See the whole front end messed up on this guy right here. So let's keep it moving though. See what else they got new out here in the yard. I haven't really been seeing, like I told y'all, I think I told y'all, this one I ain't been seeing no new cars, like nothing. I think, yeah, like nothing. It's been a minute. I ain't seen no good cars. Y'all know I buy clear title cars. I don't buy salvage title cars. You know what I mean? It takes too much work to get the car repaired. It takes 30 days for you to get the title back rebuilt. You gotta fix the car, then you gotta take the title, get rebuilt and all that. Man, Big Play Ray ain't got time for all that goddamn on stuff. I ain't got time for all that goddamn on stuff. All I wanna do is flip my money. That's all I wanna do. So we'll just keep rolling, see if they got something new out here. But that Mustang is definitely new. They want 10,000 bucks for the what you call it. I showed y'all this already, the AMG Benz. I showed y'all the Range Rover, which is still here. Oh, did the joint crank up? I don't think it cranks though. Smart key. Yeah, it don't crank up. Yeah, it don't crank up, guys. But turn it off. Yeah. Yeah. Then I showed y'all the S63. I know I remember showing y'all this, the AMG joint. They go. Oh, okay. They got a Ford Ranger right there, a new Ford Ranger. I haven't seen that. But everything else, pretty much, we've seen. I think. Yep. I seen this Porsche truck. We've seen that BMW. So I was saying, like, there's nothing really new out here. Yeah. Let's walk on this side, man. Like I say, it ain't really been nothing new out here. It's just been the same stuff. Same stuff. Check this old caddy out. I think we seen this already too. I think this caddy been sold. I think this caddy been sold before. Damn, look at the top. Top all messed up. No, I think this caddy new. This caddy dirty. They don't even got the year or nothing on it. These pieces is always missing off the caddies. So yeah, but let's look at this Ford Ranger right here. That's something new that I've seen. Damn, see, I remember showing y'all this a long time ago. I remember showing y'all that joint toe up from the flow up. Where that Ford Ranger at? Yeah, man, we ain't gonna do no editing or nothing. We just gonna walk the whole yard. See if we see something new, man. Here you go. What y'all think about the new Rangers? This is an EcoBoost joint. Everybody doing that EcoBoost stuff. This is a 4x4. Kind of like these small trucks. Clean. Super clean. Should be clean, it's brand new. Could have did better on the interior. It got 27,000 miles on it. See if it cranks up for us. See if we can find the damage on this joint too. Plain Jane interior, nothing too special. Got the battery over there. See if it'll crank up for us. Check engine light on. They speak Spanish. It's a 2019, y'all. They could have did better on the interior though to me. Let's see what kind of motors they got in this joint. What's this? Light. Not sure what that is. Check engine lights on this guy though. Ranger's kind of plain. This is the XLT version. Looks alright though. I like small trucks like this. This one check engine light on though, and it just look like it's missing the front bumper. That's it. What is that, a 4-cylinder? Oh yeah, a 2.3 4-cylinder. Damn, they got a 4x4 4-cylinder. It's definitely running rough. We got a 4x4 4-cylinder. What y'all think about that? 4x4 4-cylinder. What is this thing gonna do? That 4-cylinder might have a little power. Maybe it's turbo or something. I don't know. The automatic stuff don't work. But yeah, man, y'all see it. Looks alright. Looks plain Jane in here to me. Nothing too special. Not to me. See if they got anything else out here new, man. Like I say, it's been the same stuff. Same exact stuff. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Got a Porsche. The Porsche. Ooh. Porsche messed up. 944 Porsche. This probably was the car back in the day. This is a 1987. Plain Jane in the Porsche though. Was nothing fancy about Porsche back in 87. Back seats. Definitely nothing special about this joint. Love the wheels on that IS, boy. Damn, I'm not even about to open this. I'm not even about to open that. I'm straight. Oh, you know what? This ram right here. Okay, this one got the leather interior. It's kind of... I ain't know these had the, what year is this one? 05? So this one is just like the 02 that I had bought from Copart. This one is rough though, I don't want this one. But yeah, man. Let me see. Let me see if they got something else. Got a Saab. Who cares about the Saabs? Got the door just open on the Cherokee. Yeah, man, like I told y'all, it's nothing out here. It's nothing out here, guys. That's pretty much it. Only new thing that I did see is that Ford Ranger. Yep, that's it, dude. That is it. That is all. Make sure. I thought they had a subwoofer back there. But yeah, man. That's it. That's all, Hustle Nation. There's literally nothing else out here, man. I'm about to go and get up out here. Just want to show y'all the new stuff that they did have. It's nothing in here though. That's why I didn't even do no editing or nothing, because just walk the whole yard, man. There's nothing new out here, pretty much the same stuff. So if you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Join the Hustle Nation. You won't regret it. You know, I'm coming with them uploads every single day to good content. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell too. The little bell is right by the subscribe button. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. If y'all haven't already done so, make sure y'all do that. Y'all guys to follow me on the gram. And make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars at the auction, pick out cars, private package on there for y'all, full curriculum package. I'm going to show you everything you need to know when it comes to flipping cars in this car game. Don't just come to the auction trying to buy something. You can end up on the side of the road. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone.